Welcome to Will Study Point online classes. Student, if you are watching my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And for more update, press the bell icon. Student, earlier we have studied the poem Road Not Taken. It was written by the foreign writer Robert Frost. He was an American poet. Today we will study a poem Wind written by a South Indian writer Chinna Swami Subramaniam Bhartiya. He was born on 11 December 1882 and lived up to 11 September 1921. He was not only a journalist but was also a great supporter of Indian independence, and he was involved in social reformer work, and he was the beginner of Tamil poetry. That means he was the founder of Tamil poetry. Through his poem Wind, he is giving some message. Let's see what is there. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. Wind blows strongly means the strong wind when it comes all around, over the surrounding. It creates a lot of destruction and lot of you can say harm to the people. But even then, the poet says that we can make friend with it. That means we can do friendship with the strong wind. Then it cannot create a lot of harm to us. And how we should do this? Let's see in the poem. The wind comes softly. The poet requests the wind to come softly means gently or slowly. And if it comes gently and slowly, what will happen? It will not be able to break the gates. Shutter means gates of the windows. And don't scatter the papers. Further, the poets ask the strong wind not to spread the papers which are kept in his house. Don't throw down the books on the shelves. That means he is asking the again strong wind not to throw down not the books or other papers here and there that were kept in the almirah, because he has arranged all these things in a systematic manner. It will be a disturbance for him at all. There, look what you did, you threw them all down. He requested the strong wind not to do about things. Even then, like an angry man, the strong wind had done something wrong. What? It had thrown them all these things down, and you tore the pages of the books. Further, poet says that the strong wind has torn the pages of the books that were kept in his shelves. You brought rain again, and student, too much of anything is harmful. So the rain has come one or two times. Even because of this strong wind, the rain is again coming third time, fourth time. So the poet is not happy, because again and again the rain is also coming because of this strong wind. So you are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Further, poet blames the strong wind. Blame means आरोप लगाना student. So you are very clever at poking means making fun, or at weaklings. Weakling मतलब weak things. So poet blames the strong wind that you are very much smart and clever, making fun of the weak things. You enjoy it disturbing the weak people. Frail crumbling houses. Crumbling means breaking houses, breaking doors, and breaking rafters, breaking woods. Wood means student logs, or breaking bodies. That means breaking the people and breaking the lives. That means all the living things, and breaking the hearts of the people. So that means the poet is saying that this strong wind enjoy breaking all these things, houses, doors, and hearts of the people. So this is not fair. And the wind god winnows and crushes them all. And this wind, what is the in fact not the wind, the god of wind. In Indian mythology, wind is considered the god of wind, which winnows. Winnows means teases or disturbs and destroy all things around it. When it becomes strong, when the wind becomes strong, is winnows means it disturbs and teases and destroys all the things in our surrounding. He won't do what you tell him. So what is the solution? When strong wind, or you can say the god of wind, is coming and doing all these above things like this and that, and creating a lot of destruction all around. So what should we do? He won't do what you tell him. Further, the poet says there is a solution. What is the solution? This god of wind won't do what you tell him. That means whatever we want that this strong wind should not do, It won't do if we follow the following things. What the following things? So come, let's build strong homes. The poet said, if we if we construct our houses strong, that means you read in SST there are two types of houses, kacha house or pakka house. So we should have pakka house. That means, and let's join the doors firmly. Firmly matlab strongly. We must join our gates of the houses strongly and practice to form the body. Practice means we should do exercises and yoga to make our body strong. If our body is weak and feeble, so we will not be able to face this strong wind. Make the heart steadfast. We should make our heart very strong. We should not be emotional and sentimental. Whenever there comes the problems, difficulties, we should use our brain or use our sense to face all the problems and difficulties. That is the main things he want to convey to the readers. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. So at last he says, if we follow all these advice, this one, that one or this one, so what will happen? The wind will become our friend. It won't create a lot of destruction and harm to us. Okay. The same wind blow out the weak fire. Student, when there is a strong wind and the fire is weak, so what happens? The weak fire blow out. And on the other hand, if the strong wind is there and the fire is also strong, so then the strong fire will become strongest, become stronger or strongest. Roar and flourish means the fire becomes strong and strongest with the help of strong wind. Sometime when the things is not burning, we just blow out the air into it and start blowing fast. So same the poet want to say that when the fire is strong or the stronger or the strongest, what will happen? This strong wind will not be able to spoil you, will spoil the fire, and it will on the other hand support the stronger fire. Meaning is that there is some hidden meaning in these lines that the poet is telling. Meaning is that we should be very much brave and courageous and stronger. Then we will be able to face the difficulties, problems and distresses that comes in our life. We should not be dejected and depressed and should not think negative. His friends is good. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. So the poet want to say that if you make friendship with the strong wind, it is good for us, because this strong wind is very much helpful for all of us. It helps us to bring the rain. It gives life to the people. It helps in farming. So various things that are done by the wind. So wind is very much helpful. We should make friend with it and should use this wind sensibly. So we must try to praise this wind every day. That means we should not blame the wind. We should praise it. We should be happy with it, or we should be friendly with it. That is the main motto of this poem. Okay. So the poem was written by Subramaniam Bharati, as I told you earlier, and this was all about the poem. Okay. Student, now let's do the question related to this poem. There are some words that I have already explained you. Poking fun means making fun of, किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. Next is rafter, sloping beams supporting a roof. That is very long and less thick log of wood. Okay, that is used in kacha houses. Next is winnow. Winnow means blow grain free of chaff. That is separate the grain from lighter thing like husk and chaff and dust, etc. Okay. Now let's start the question. What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? There are many things that the wind does in the first stanza. It breaks the gates of the window. It breaks the doors of the houses, and throughout the books of the writers, and also torn the pages of the books. In that way, it creates a lot of destruction. Okay. Next question is, have you seen anybody winnow grain at home or in paddy field? Yes, I have seen such things, and it was there in your SST book also. What is the word in your language or for winnowing? Winnowing, student, in Hindi it is called बरसाना. बरसाना मतलब जैसे बारिश बरसती है ऊपर से, तो ऐसे ऊपर से हम कोई चीज़ को बरसाते हैं, तो इसके लिए जो हमारी लैंग्वेज हिंदी है उसमें जो वर्ड है वो है बरसाना. ओके, तो आंसर आएगा बरसाना। What do people use for winnowing? In this winnowing process, what happens? The lighter things like chaffs and husk and dust are removed, and the heavier things, grains, are left, okay, in the container. So this purpose this is the purpose for which winnowing is used. Okay, purpose has been asked in this question. Next, third, what does the poet say the wind god winnows? In fact, the god of wind winnows means crushes or destroy. What things? Weak things or feeble things. And on the other, what does the poet say? The wind god winnows. Okay, so weak things and feeble things are winnowed by the god. Next question, what should we do to make friends with the wind? If you want to make friendship with the wind, what should we do? As the poet has suggested, we should keep our doors closed firmly, that is strongly, and secondly, we should construct strong houses, and thirdly, we should face the difficulties and problems with courage. Okay. Next question is, what do the last 4 lines of the poem mean to you? The last 4 lines in the poem mean to us is that if we are weak, or we can say feeble, then this wind will destroy not only us but all other things which are weak and feeble. And on the other hand, if the people are or things are strong, it will be able to face the difficulties or the strong wind, and this strong wind will become friend to such things or people. Okay. Next, how does the poet speak to the wind? In anger or with humor? The poet speak to the wind with humor, because this in the beginning the poet is talking in an ironical language. आयरनिकल मीन्स मेकिंग सिटायर, व्यंग जिसे कह देते हैं ना, किसी का थोड़ा सा मजाक बनाते हुए. You must also have seen or heard the wind crumbling lives. Yes, we have heard that wind is crumbling means destroying the lives all around. What is your response to this? Our response is this, that we should not lose heart, we should not be coward, we should face such strong things by making ourselves strong. Okay. Further, the question is it like the poets? It means response. Is your response will be like the poet? Yes, my response will be like the poet. I will also invite the strong wind to come and do whatever it want, and for that I will too become strong and prepare myself for all the things like making strong houses, strong closing the doors firmly, making our body robust and strong. And if we are doing all these things, then what will happen? It will be opposite to the expectation. This strong wind will become our friend. It won't create any kind of destruction or harm. Okay? It will be helpful for us. The poem you have just read is originally in Tamil. Okay, do you know any such poem in your language? Yes, we know. You know, student, we are from, our mother tongue is Hindi, so we have many Hindi poems that we can refer. Any one poem like Kabir, Rahim, you have read in class 8th, 9th, so you can tell about that poem. So this is all about the poem Wind, and I hope you have understood it. If you have any doubt, so you can write your question in comment box and any queries. I will try to answer your queries. Okay, thank you.